Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Commander XTP. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about the kit. So with this kit, this does actually replace the Can-Am signature light that you see right here. It does not add the light to the stock light. You actually replace this whole light right here. How does it work? Just like a car. Down will be left. You do have the indicator lights on the dash letting you know those turn signals are on. Best part about it, oh yeah, looks really good. Got great visibility from the front and the sides. And I love that the Ryco Street Legal kit ties into the stock tail lights. You're going to illuminate all of those bright LEDs in the back, giving you awesome visibility from the back and the sides. And while we're back here, the Ryco Street Legal kit is also going to come with the license plate mounting hardware, as you see here, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. The Ryco kit also has the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. There's the indicator lights in the dash and up front. Very nice. Looks good, looks factory. And around the back. Very nice. To release the four-way hazard function, you're going to simply go up or down with the lever. You can't push the red lever back in. The Ryco kit is going to come with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah. For other states throughout the United States, please check with your local DMV to find out if you can make your side-by-side street legal there as well. Here in Utah, the only thing you'll need in addition to the Ryco kit are two mirrors, one on each side of the driver. You can accomplish that with a left view and a right view, or a left view and a rear view. That's completely up to you. This mirror set is from Can-Am. This is my favorite mirror set for the Commander. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. We'd be happy to get one of these kits on their way. Have a great day, everybody.